Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today we'll be doing another drugstore foundation first impression on the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation costs about £7 in the UK. It comes in this tube and contains about 30 milliliters of foundation. It promises to be lightweight while mattifying and refining pores, leaving a natural, seamless finish. Maybelline says the foundation is ideal for normal to oily skin due to the micro powders included in the formula to control shine and blur pores. Now, while the foundation isn't marketed to be full coverage, I really wanted to try it due to the great things I've heard about the wide range of shades available. It is so much easier to conceal imperfections and color correct your skin when you've got a good, well-fitting foundation to work with. I also recently asked someone I know, who always looks flawless, what foundation she uses, and she said it's this one. So overall, this foundation has been a hit for Maybelline, and the positive reviews I've seen seem to confirm the amazing shade range, as well as how easy it is to use for people with oily skin. I get shiny very easily, so that's definitely a selling point for me. I'm also really curious to find out if I will look as flawless as my friend when I try this out. Some of the negative reviews, however, claim that the foundation oxidizes once it's been applied to your skin. That's when the shade changes color once your skin has heated it up. And some people are saying that it doesn't last very long on the skin. But there's only one way to find out for sure. Let's try it. So the color of Maybelline Fit Me that I'm using today is 110 Porcelain. And I'll be applying it with a beauty blender because that's what Maybelline recommends. Opening the packaging, I see a foil seal, which I'm very happy about. It's very hygienic. Let's open it up. Go. And I'll be applying it to my hand and then using the beauty blender to get rid of this. It's a very liquid foundation, not very thick. I think it matches my natural skin tone really well.
I forgot to mention it here, but the foundation smells great and the formula goes on very smoothly. It is very easy to work with and you can achieve a great medium coverage with it still looking very natural.
Okay, that's the first layer finished. Now I think it is a really good color match, but I'd say it's about medium coverage. I would really love to see Maybelline do a high coverage version of this. I can still see quite a lot of my birthmark, and I also have a spot mark right here that can be seen pretty well. So that's only one layer. I'm going to do another layer to give it a full fair chance. So let's see how that goes. Oh, and I forgot to mention, just like before any other video, I've primed and moisturized before applying any foundation. Okay, let's do a second layer. Okay, it is definitely looking better with the second layer. Like I said before, this is not a full coverage foundation, so I am impressed at what it's doing. I can still see my birthmark, but let's say that you're not looking to cover a birthmark. The shade range is amazing and I think it is actually quite good for the price. It hasn't actually dried down completely, so I'm not seeing the matte effects yet. But I'm gonna step away now and finish my makeup off camera. And when I come back, I'll tell you more about what I think. Okay, I'm back and I've finished my makeup. Now while I was doing it, I didn't run into any serious problems, but the foundation on my eyelids has already creased off. But then again, I have very oily eyelids and this is a very common problem for me. As I mentioned before, I can still see my birthmark, but for what this foundation claims to do, I think it does it pretty well. I've also taken some still pictures that I will insert into the video here so you can see the foundation in a bit of a different light. While it doesn't state on the bottle what coverage it should give, I feel it's about a medium coverage. I definitely understand why this foundation is such a big hit for Maybelline. What I can tell so far is that it delivers on its promises. It is matte, it is cheap, it is easy to use, and it seems to blur the pores pretty well, and it has a really good shade range. So when you get all of that in one package for £7, that is a pretty good deal. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like this one? I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon. Bye!